Hey, what's up guys? It's Fast Action Jax here at Panama City Beach Harley Davidson, and we're doing something awesome for the month of June that I wanted to let you guys know about. We're doing free installation on all Custom Dynamics and ProBeam products. That's right, free installation on all Custom Dynamics products in stock and special order. So if we don't have it, we'll get it in for you and we'll still install it for free. We got the turn signals, as you can see, the headlights, we got the tail lights. We also got the filler lights. These things are incredibly bright. They are so important for being seen at night. I run full Custom Dynamics on my bike, and pretty much everybody in the store does. I don't think there's anything out there brighter than ProBeams. So come in, check it out. We got a newer style stuff, 14 and later, even for some of you guys with the older style bikes. We even have the kits with the stabilizer in the kits, so we can make that work for you too, for you guys with the older bikes. So come in and see us. And remember, there's no better way to be seen than with ProBeam.
So